For centuries, dinosaurs were imagined as scaly reptilian giants. But a revolution has occurred in our understanding of these prehistoric creatures. From the dusty plains of Mongolia to the fossil beds of China, we've uncovered a hidden world of color and vibrancy. These discoveries reveal that dinosaurs, particularly a group known as theropods, possess something truly remarkable: feathers. Join me as we journey back in time to explore the fascinating world of dinosaur feathers, uncovering their surprising roles in mating, battles, and survival. Our understanding of dinosaur feathers began with a series of astonishing discoveries in a place called Liaoning, China. This region, rich in ancient sedimentary rock, has become a treasure trove for paleontologists. The fossils found here are so well preserved that they offer an unprecedented glimpse into the past, allowing scientists to study the fine details of these ancient creatures. Here, exquisitely preserved fossils revealed the unmistakable imprints of feathers, forever changing our perception of these ancient animals. These fossils were not just bones. They were snapshots of life from millions of years ago, capturing the delicate structures of feathers in stunning detail. Among these finds were theropods, the group of dinosaurs that includes the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex and the agile velociraptor. These discoveries have shown that feathers were not exclusive to birds, but were also present in a variety of dinosaur species, suggesting a more complex evolutionary history. But unlike their larger, more familiar cousins, these theropods were covered in feathers, from small hair-like filaments to complex veined feathers like those of modern birds. This diversity in feather types indicates that feathers may have served multiple functions, from insulation to display, and even aiding in flight for some species. One of the most remarkable aspects of these fossil discoveries is the preservation of microscopic structures called melanosomes. These tiny, pigment-containing organelles have provided scientists with clues about the coloration of these ancient creatures. These tiny structures found within the feathers held pigments that gave dinosaurs their color. The study of melanosomes has opened a new window into understanding the appearance of dinosaurs, allowing scientists to make educated guesses about their coloration. By studying the shape and arrangement of these melanosomes, scientists have been able to reconstruct the color patterns of some dinosaurs. This process involves comparing the fossilized melanosomes with those found in modern birds, which helps in determining the likely colors of these ancient feathers. Long, narrow melanosomes, for instance, indicate black or gray feathers, suggesting that some dinosaurs may have had dark, sleek plumage, while round, bubble-shaped melanosomes suggest reddish or orange hues. This means that some dinosaurs could have sported vibrant, fiery colors, possibly for mating displays or other social interactions. Some dinosaurs even possessed iridescent feathers, created by unique melanosome patterns that scattered light in different ways. This iridescence would have made them shimmer and change color depending on the angle of the light, much like modern hummingbirds or peacocks. These discoveries have painted a vibrant picture of the dinosaur world, far different from the drab, monotone creatures we once imagined. The realization that dinosaurs were colorful, dynamic animals has revolutionized our understanding of their behavior and ecology. Imagine, if you will, a velociraptor, not as the scaly reptile of popular culture, but as a feathered hunter, its plumage a symphony of colors, used for display, camouflage, and perhaps even warmth. This new image of dinosaurs challenges our previous notions and invites us to see them in a whole new light. The discovery of dinosaur feathers has not only revolutionized our understanding of these extinct animals, but has also provided crucial insights into the evolution of birds, the living descendants of these feathered dinosaurs. This connection between ancient dinosaurs and modern birds highlights the continuity of life and the incredible adaptability of nature over millions of years. In the animal kingdom, vibrant colors and elaborate displays often go hand in hand with courtship. From the lush rainforests to the arid savannas, creatures of all kinds have developed unique ways to attract a mate. These displays are not just about beauty, they are about survival and the continuation of the species. And dinosaurs were no exception. Despite their often fearsome appearances, many dinosaurs likely engaged in complex courtship behaviors, much like the birds we see today. Just as peacocks use their dazzling tail feathers to attract mates, feathered dinosaurs likely engaged in their own forms of visual seduction. These displays would have been a crucial part of their mating rituals, helping them stand out in a crowded and competitive environment. Take, for instance, Caudipteryx, a small, bird-like dinosaur with a remarkable tail fan. This creature, with its elegant feathers, would have been a sight to behold during the mating season. This fan, composed of long, elegant feathers, was likely used in courtship displays, much like a peacock's extravagant train. The Caudipteryx would have used its tail fan to catch the light, creating a mesmerizing display to attract a mate. Imagine a male Caudipteryx, strutting and shaking its tail feathers, attempting to capture the attention of a potential mate. The display would have been a combination of movement and color, designed to impress and entice. Another intriguing example is Anchiornis, a crow-sized dinosaur adorned with a striking combination of red, black and white feathers. These colors would have made the Anchiornis stand out in its environment, signaling its presence to potential mates. These vibrant colors, reconstructed from melanosome analysis, suggest that Anchiornis used its plumage for visual signaling, perhaps engaging in elaborate dances and displays to woo potential partners. The combination of color and movement would have been a powerful tool in the mating game. These feathered dinosaurs, with their vibrant colors and elaborate displays, challenge our perception of the dinosaur world as a solely monstrous and savage place. They reveal a softer, more intricate side of dinosaur behavior, one that is driven by the same desires and instincts that we see in modern animals. They remind us that even in the harshest of environments, the drive to reproduce, to pass on one's genes, often manifests in displays of breathtaking beauty. These ancient creatures, with their elaborate courtship rituals, show us that the quest for love and connection is as old as life itself. Feathers, however, were not just for attracting mates. They could also be used to intimidate rivals and defend against attack. In the same way that a modern bird might ruffle its feathers to appear larger and more threatening, some dinosaurs may have used their plumage for similar displays of aggression. Imagine a Yutyrannus, a 30-foot-long tyrannosaur covered in fluffy feathers, facing off against a rival. It rears up on its hind legs, shaking its feathered body and spreading its arms wide, attempting to intimidate its opponent with a display of size and ferocity. Feathers could also serve as a form of visual signaling in battles for dominance. Brightly colored feathers, particularly on the head or neck, could have been used to establish hierarchy within a group, preventing unnecessary conflicts. Even smaller dinosaurs, lacking the sheer size and power of their larger relatives, could use feathers to their advantage in a fight. A sudden flash of brightly colored feathers, for instance, might startle an attacker, giving the prey animal a chance to escape. In the unforgiving world of the dinosaurs, survival was paramount, and feathers provided a distinct advantage. These ancient creatures faced numerous challenges, from predation to environmental extremes, and their feathers were a versatile tool in their arsenal. For some dinosaurs, feathers served as camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This ability to remain hidden was crucial for both predators and prey, as it could mean the difference between life and death. Consider Sinosauropteryx, a small feathered dinosaur with a striking striped tail. These stripes were not just for show, they played a vital role in its survival. These stripes, resembling those of a modern-day tiger, likely helped it to disappear into the dappled light of its forest home, making it difficult for predators to spot. The interplay of light and shadow in the forest created the perfect environment for such camouflage. Beyond camouflage, feathers played a crucial role in regulating body temperature, especially for smaller dinosaurs. Maintaining a stable body temperature was essential for their metabolic processes and overall health. Just as down feathers keep birds warm today, many smaller dinosaurs likely possessed fluffy, insulating feathers that helped them conserve heat. These insulating feathers would have been particularly important during colder periods or in cooler climates. This ability to regulate body temperature may have been particularly important for dinosaurs living in colder climates. The presence of feathers would have allowed them to thrive in environments that would otherwise be too harsh. Yutyrannus, the feathered tyrannosaur we met earlier, lived in a region of China that experienced freezing temperatures. Its feathers were not just for show, they were a critical adaptation for survival. Its thick coat of feathers suggests that it had evolved to survive in this challenging environment. The dense plumage would have provided excellent insulation against the cold, much like the fur of modern mammals. From the striped camouflage of Sinosauropteryx to the downy insulation of Yutyrannus, feathers provided dinosaurs with a crucial advantage in the struggle for survival. These adaptations were not just about appearance, they were about function and survival. These remarkable adaptations highlight the incredible diversity and adaptability of these ancient creatures. The evolution of feathers was a game changer, allowing dinosaurs to conquer a variety of environments and thrive in ways that would have been impossible otherwise. Feathers weren't just a prelude to birds, they played a huge role in dinosaur mating, fighting, and survival. Whether used to attract mates, scare rivals, or stay warm, these colorful feathers were essential to dinosaur life. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs has fundamentally changed our understanding of these magnificent creatures, revealing a world of vibrant colors, complex behaviors, and remarkable adaptations. Next time you see a bird, remember, it's a living dinosaur with the same colorful tricks.